everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. White kurtas are something which you can find in everyone's wardrobe. This is just because there are n number of ways to style them. In this video, I am showing you few classic ways to style your white kurtis by adding a contrast dupattas or leggings with it, and also few designs of white kurtas to get them stitched from your tailor. So continue watching the video till the end and let me know if you like it in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.